here tracking all of the day's major developments. Of course, ABC Chief Medical Correspondent Dr. Jen Ashton here with us. And this big number grabbing our attention today, nearly 6.4 million children have tested positive for COVID-19 since the pandemic began, with the Midwest continuing to see the highest number of children's cases in the country right now.
Speaking of kids and COVID, but good vaccine news we have about the Pfizer vaccine. Where are we now?
Well, we are eagerly awaiting, possibly as early as this evening, some official authorization from the CDC director for children ages 5 through 11. So here's some kind of need to know information out there for parents or grandparents. First of all, coming from the White House COVID task force director, he is encouraging people, parents, be patient and start planning now. 15 million doses actually started shipping out on Saturday. They cannot be given, they cannot be administered until the CDC director, Dr. Rochelle Walensky, officially approves the FDA's recommendations. Advice right now for parents: call your child's pediatrician or go to vaccines.gov to schedule that appointment. And again, this should be an informed consent process with all questions answered before you go ahead with it.
She's going to approve.
That's the expectation, but you never know. We've certainly seen surprises so far.
True.
All right, Jen, obviously we have been covering climate change in depth this week, the next 2 weeks actually, here at ABC News, and yesterday. Hard to forget those heartbreaking images of malnourished children in Madagascar. Can you talk a little bit about what we're seeing?
Yeah, I think it's really important, Amy, to connect the dots on this and what we see with those swollen bellies, the telltale signs of chronic and life-threatening malnutrition. It's a condition called kwashiorkor. It's severe protein malnutrition that then causes a buildup of fluid inside the belly, liver, kidney failure, delayed growth, increased risk of infections, life-threatening, and that is a direct consequence to drought in that area and not having enough food.
Well, I know so many people saw those images, wanted to help. I went on to abcnews.com. You can find a way to help these children, but we appreciate that explanation. Thank you, Jen.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.